Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have sort of an unboxing to do. I got an email from ColoRelaxation asking if I wanted to do a review, an unboxing of one of their diamond paintings. So I said sure. They gave me a link to choose which one I wanted. So I had my daughter help me because I still have so many diamond paintings that I have to do for myself. So I figured I'd choose one for her and she could either work on it herself or I'll do it, more than likely. So I wanted to go ahead and show you guys. They come in boxes like this. You can see it does get a bit banged up going through the mail, but the canvas came out perfectly. So I'm going to show you which one we chose. And hopefully I can get most of it in the picture. Let's see, let's move it down just a bit. Let me, there we go. Okay, so my daughter chose this one. She's like really into anime and she loves wolves. So this one was perfect for her. And it is a 50 by 75 centimeters. You can see the picture a little bit better there. So that's what it looks like. I don't have to pull all of the plastic off since, you know, you can see the picture, but I will pull off some of it so that I can check the stickiness of the canvas. Yeah, it's great. The stickiness is great. You can, let me pull up those. You can see those really good. The symbols are really clear on there, so that's great as well. And then I got 2 packages of drills. Yeah, there's a lot in here. I will say I love the bags that they sent these in. These probably have to be some of my favorite bags. They're a little sturdier than the ones that you normally get. So I really, really like this one. I did not get a kit. I didn't get a tray. I didn't get any wax or a pen. That might have been an oversight. I do have plenty here, so for me it's not a big deal. But for others it might be if one doesn't come in the kit. So I'd say it was probably just an oversight though, because they do show on the picture the kit that they would send. And you can see that all of the numbers were checked off by them. And it tells you how many bags you got per number. And these are the DMC codes, and then you have the symbols there. And it continued on to the back page. That's how many there are, how many colors there are. So in total, I don't think it says, let's see. Nope, okay, it does over there. There are 44 colors in this one, so that is a lot. Yeah. And I did go through everything. I have all of the drills. Everything's here. I did choose round this time. So you can see that they are round drills. I'm going to turn this light on, see if this light kind of helps. There we go. Maybe not. Hang on. All right, so I got the round drills this time. I prefer round over square, especially for something this big. It's just easier. In my opinion, it's a lot easier. All right, let me get that closed up. So, all of these, and you do get the key, which I do like having because sometimes it's just easier to look at this paper than over there. But overall, I am really, really happy with this. And it's going to take a while to get it done, but yeah, I think with the round drills, it'll go much faster. So this, oh, it was amazing. So I'm going to have all of their information down below so you guys can go check them out. It's Color Relaxation. They have diamond paintings. I think they have like coloring pages as well, and I think they might have even cross stitching, but I'm not 100% sure. But I know they have more than just the diamond paintings. So I will have their website linked, and I will have the link to this one so you guys can see it for yourselves. This was the second to largest size that they had. They had one other size that was bigger than this one. So yeah, and I think for what you're getting, I think the prices are really reasonable, and they seem to have deals going on quite frequently. So that'll knock the price, you know, some of the price down as well. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Go ahead and go check their website out and see if you see anything that you like. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.